Hi, welcome to JoyGeeks with me, Aparna Ganesh. I'm exploring beauty inside out on this channel and creating beauty and wellness content that will truly make you feel gorgeous. In today's video, I'm going to bust 3 yoga myths that will help you open up possibilities of living a healthier and a more beautiful life. If you're ready, let's go. Myth number 1. Yoga is only for old people? Rubbish. Yoga is for all age groups and everybody can benefit and make it a support and a backbone to yourself to achieve the best that you want in life and really get closer to your goals while you feel calm and settled and focused. Everybody, right from a child, can benefit from the foundation of yoga. If you're 18, 25 or 40 years old, please adapt to yoga and you see what it does to you. Myth number 2. You need to be flexible to be doing yoga. It's like saying, I can't go to the doctor because I'm unwell. Firstly, yoga is not really about touching your toes. It's not about doing advanced postures. It's not just that 1 hour on the mat that you may or may not be spending. You are not required to be flexible in order to practice yoga. It's the simplest form of practice that will enable you to be more flexible, and it will give you all the benefits that you'd like to have. But the prerequisite is not flexibility. That brings me to my third point. Yoga is not just the asana that you practice on your mat, it's an entire lifestyle. It's how you do, what you do, when you do. It'd be your food, it'd be your sleep, it'd be how you work, it'd be your posture throughout the day, and a lot of things that really combine to create a lifestyle that supports you in being healthy and your brilliant best. It empowers you to have a calmer mind to deal with the nonsense that everyday life throws at you. So how do you really get there and achieve all of these things? It's as simple as it gets. It's our ancient practice that has really helped us to take one step at a time into understanding ourselves better, and yoga practice in itself will give you the aid and support for you to be having a certain quality in life. I'd be thrilled to bring to you the ancient concepts that we have in simple ways that you can adapt to your daily lifestyle. It has helped me in every aspect of my life and I'm dying to bring that to you. Comment and let me know your thoughts on yoga, if it has helped you or if you're not able to pursue it because of some reason or the other. I would love to bust more myths and really help you get closer to such a beautiful practice. If you like this video, hit on the like button, consider subscribing and hit on the notification bell so you get updates on my new posts, and stay connected with me on all the social platforms. I'm dying to hear from you. I'm dying to know what you like to watch and how you feel about the videos I'm creating. Thank you so much.